Why?
Why I say day 4?
This is the 4th day of Stitch.
I want to eat him.
He's not ready yet, and we have a little bit of growth. This is what he's looking like. Let's give him what he wants. 1, 2. Once again, I think my water's too hot. Gee, dang it.
You like this one?
Ow! The best way to do this is just add more cold water from the fridge.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm making a video about my sourdough starter.
I want some of that.
So what? You are standing on my foot. Please get off.
Smell the booty. Smell the booty.
Ezra! I'm gonna smack your booty. Come here. It's looking a little clumpy. I think that's okay. Loose lid. Ow! Stop stepping on my feet. Day 5 of Stitch. A tiny bit of growth. Stitch. I might just discard like a tiny bit. How Stitch is looking. Discard some of it. That's a good amount. Oh, the Madagascar song?
Yeah.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
I like to roll it. I like to roll. Is that a funny song?
That's so funny. Got the flour in.
What?
Definitely gonna need more water than that. That might have been too much water. It's looking kind of chubby. You think you're like so funny? I made this for you. I put way too much water in. Oh, my finger. Maybe this isn't for me. I just injured myself making a sourdough starter.
Grandma's here.
I think it needs like a little bit more flour.
Rennie, cut it out.
Ow, I keep like tweaking my finger. That's it, I'm dying. There's something wrong with me.
Grandma can figure out the TV. I'll need to remind
I think that's good.
Where's that TV on?
There he is. All my stuff to make bread came. Let's unbox it together. I'm so excited. First of all, we got some reusable proving caps. Good job. Proving heads or baby heads? Boop. Because I'm a beginner, I just bought myself a kit. Let's open her up. Ah, yes, for when I start giving my bread out to friends. A scraper. I think this is a dough sling. Guessing this is like for butter. Into the sink it goes. Just, I guess, a bag for all of it. This is what I've been looking forward to. So I can start using this right away. That thing is dirty. You gotta clean it. Why is it so dirty? Oh, it's so tiny. Chef's hat. Proving baskets. One of these doohickeys. Dough whisk. For when I get good. Scraper. Oh, God bless you. A squeegee. So that's not what it's called in the baking world. And then a loaf basket. What do you think? Flour sifter. I'm going to wash that starter jar right now and put my starter in it. Oh, there's a lot more bubbles. Okay, we don't need germs in our starter, buddy. Now that I have this big jar, though, I feel like I should, like, really fill it up with flour. Feed him big. 1, 2, 3. See, I feel like you're supposed to do equal amounts of water. Are you tired? I'm going night-night. The boys are back.
Mom, we get the cantaloupe.
Did you get the goods?
They did have cantaloupe.
They,
Mom,
they did?
yes. They
Wow. Oh, wow. We're going to have that with our dinner?
did. Yeah.
So put it up here nice and gentle. How? I don't know. We're going to put Stitch in the warmest room, which is the baby's room. And he's going to go down for night-night. Are you going to sleep with Stitch? Yeah, night-night.